Tiny, what are you doing? You want some bread? Is that what you're wanting? You're a little piglet. Tots, did you get it off Biscuit? Here, have a bite. Well, here, Shy, get in there. There you go. Jeez, you fatties. Tots, God. Tots, you really take a big glob of it. Y'all are fat. Oh, Biscuit, you're gonna eat it too? You think this is your bread, you dummy? Y'all are spoiled. That's a big hunk, Tiny. There you go, Shy. Take little pieces. Don't be jerks. Jesus. Well, how about you get the piece on the ground first that you done ripped off? And now you stepped on it? Why are you so dumb? Why are you so stupid? Here, Lucy. Have some. There you go. You guys love your wheat bread. It's healthy. There you go, Tots. Tots, why are you so fat?